2023 for me is a roller coaster because nagkakaroon ako ng magandang job in the early months of your, or first to third quarter. And then all of a sudden, nawala ako doon. And then another blessing for me is natanggap ako, which is a great company, which is Bingo Plus, no, as their BP host. Then nakakuha pa din ako ng mga commercials. And then my New Year resolutions kasi is basically simple lang, no? Tuloy-tuloy ako sa work ko, good health, and then yung parents ko, yun, more on health talaga kasi alam naman natin we'll never know na what will happen in the future. So yun lang, no? And for you guys, I hope you are all doing good and keep safe sa inyo lahat. Happy New Year sa inyo.
So I'm most grateful ngayong taon na to kasi I get to do the things that I love the most, especially yung singing, yung hosting, then performing. Tapos New Year's resolution ko siguro is syempre sa health ko. Kailangan mas pagtuunan ko na yung pansin yung health ko for the next year.
Yes, I'm grateful about this year because maraming blessings ang dumadating. Patuloy na dumadating sa akin this year. And my New Year's resolution is wala naman. Wala masyadong New Year's resolution. More on good health lang and continuous ang blessings na paparating.
Yung pinasasalamatan ko, or yung grateful ako this year, actually yung nandito ako kay Bingo Plus, yung naging isa akong Bingo Plus host kasi sobrang daming opportunity yung dumating, and at the same time, ang daming blessings na pumapasok as a BP host dito kay Bingo Plus.
Ang best part for me ng year 2023 ko is yung lahat ng mga tao na nakilala ko, na na-meet ko, and yung opportunities na pumatok sa buhay ko ngayong taon. And ang New Year's resolution ko or yung goal ko para sa next year naman is yung mas mahigitan ko pa yung mga bagay na na-achieve ko ngayong year na to. Siyempre, di ba, parang ang goal natin is ma-achieve natin or mahigitan natin always yung mga goals na na-achieve natin every year. So, ayan. Kayo, anong New Year's resolution nyo?